Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting Figma tutorial. Let's create donut chart design in Figma, online vector graphics editor and prototyping tool. Press shortcut key O to select ellipse or select from the drop-down menu below. Change width and height to 800 by 800. Pull the arc pointer to middle of the circle, and select the ratio by pulling ratio pointer as shown in the scene. Go to Arc Properties, apply Start, 36 degrees, Sweep, -70% and Ratio, 55%. Select and copy and paste here. Change color and go to Arc Properties. Apply Start, 145 degrees, Sweep, 25% and Ratio, 42%. Enter text with Type tool by pressing shortcut key, T. Thanks for watching.